Hey guys, it's Sunbeam, and this is our long-term review of our Sunbeam heating pad. Now this is already over 9 years old, and we still use it. It heats up very well, and it has three heat settings from low, medium, and hot, and an auto timer that turns off like after I think 3 hours or 4 hours and stuff. So you could we just leave it on and basically it turns off by itself. What we really love is that cover. The cover, you can actually take it off and wash it when you after you used it, and it's great. We usually don't put any weight on it. We actually put it on top of ourselves with a pillow to keep it warm. But for ourselves, what we've been doing right now, we've been actually using it for our pet bed. So we keep the pet bed nice and heated and warm for our pets so they could sleep in the cold winter. Anyways, and they love it, by the way. Once you turn it on, they actually go to sleep right into it. And it has an auto timer, so basically you set it on low and they'll basically fall asleep for hours on that thing. Anyways, guys, this is Turn I hope this long-term review was helpful to you, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.